These are not crockery, guys, you know, just odd plastic materials. Yeah, there is another. Yeah, so these are some nice kitchenwares, things that we can have in our kitchen. Guys, looking at some kettles here, and these are some that they have on display. Yes, looks nice. This one here, yeah, got it, guys. Interesting. Yeah, modern style of kettle, and this is the price here, guys. In Jamaica, that's the price, 3,800. So this is a brown color here, and there you have a white one here. Very nice. Let me see what inside looks like. So I take off the cover. That's what the cover looks like. Very unique. Let's see inside. Wow, that's the inside. Big size kettle it is. Yeah. Oh, this is a lever here. A nice kettle. Very fashionable too. Yeah. 3,500 for this one. And this one 3,008. What's the difference though? One maybe too unique than the other. This one look like it have more uniqueness than the other one. But beautiful kettle they are, guys, right? Beautiful kettle, both of them. Yeah, so to be in your kitchen. Yeah, nice. So here they have some others, but I don't see any display for these. 2,750, 2,500, 2,950. So various prices. 5,350. Yeah. There's another one. Very unique. Nice. 3,005. And this is another one here. So guys, welcome back to Self Care Official. Yes, welcome back to another video here. Remember guys, like, share, comment and subscribe. Yes, here we have some other one. This is glass. Glass, yeah. Yeah. And this one now is for 2,750. Very nice. 2,500. Nice kettle these guys, so to have in your home. Yeah, beautiful. So we are looking at kitchenware. Yes, beautiful kitchenware it is. This is a ice tray. Yeah, or a waiter it is. Seems more like a waiter. So there's another one. Cute guys, cute. Cute. And here we have some bowl here. You can put your fruits in or your vegetable. Ideal for those. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Interesting. Yeah. Over here is some container. Yeah. Small container, large container. You can carry your lunch into work or school. Yes, beautiful container. Here we have eating plate, dinner plates. Yes, nice dinner plate here. Small bowl for porridge or soup, guys. Yes, in Jamaica here, we love our porridge and soup. You know, so for a person who does not eat a lot, you know, ideal. You know, plate. Yeah. Yes, nice. These are some colorful plate here. Nice color. And bowl too. Yeah. Wonderful. These are not crockery, guys, you know, just odd plastic materials. Yeah. There's another. Yeah. So these are some nice kitchenwares, things that we can have in our kitchen, especially for when our guest comes out. 500 for this bowl, guys. When our guest comes over, these are some candy jar. So you have small candy jar here, medium, you know, and it just goes up to large. Yeah. So cute, 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 cute. And there is spice, you know. Yeah, rocks. So you have the different bottles that you put like a black pepper, the salt, whatever other spice you have. Yeah. Yuck. Is it that? Comment in the comment section, guys, and tell me what is this one. Yeah. This one. What do you call this one? What do you call it? Yeah, yeah. What's his name?
What's the name of that?
Yeah.
You tell me, I know you know it.
Me saying yacht, something like that.
Sometimes
Wok.
the Chinese call
Wok.
wok, W-O-K.
Okay, walk. Guys, comment in the comment section and tell me what do you guys call this one. I'm a Philippine massive. Don't tell me what to call this one. Walk. Is it walk?
Yeah, it's a-
Oh, walk.
I walk the truth.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What's the price?
Beautiful, beautiful. What's the price for it though? Oh, there it is. The price. No, not it. No, no, different pot. Different pot it is. Yeah, look at the bottom. Walk, 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 walk. Tell me guys what the name of this. Walk. Hey.
I see this.
Small pot, frying pot it is. Yes. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe. Yeah.